What's going on, ladies and gentlemen out there? Here we are. I have another unboxing. Okay, I don't know if you've seen the last Octane circular saw unboxing, but it's a cool tool, and I'm switching all my stuff over to the Octane. So here I picked up the RIDGID brushless 18-volt reciprocating saw. And yeah, you guessed it, it's the new Octane, kid. All right, so let's open this thing up. Let's see what it looks like, okay? And we'll take it from there. It's in the bag. Okay, we got obviously our owner's manual, all the information, okay? Oh, look at this. They even threw in a blade, okay? All right, so let's put this aside here. Take the cardboard off, put it over there with the rest of the junk. Let's take a look at it, okay? When you open this up, you want to take your time. Make sure it wasn't one that was sent back as a refurbished, or, you know, you could tell if there's marks or if it's been used. You don't want to end up going through a problem with one of these tools and you just buy it, you know what I mean? But I got to tell you, just holding this thing right here is nice, guys. It's got the nice rubber grip here. This is like all rubber. The grip on here, I mean, I got big hands, cuz, but it fits my hand. Just it's nice, cuz, you know what I mean? It's a nice feel. Looks like we have a dial here. Okay, it's set to off. It looks like it says orbital, so maybe if you turn it on, it might do a vibrating cutting at the same time. But let's keep this off for now. All right, it's a nice grip. This grip is just like the Octane circular saw. Okay, here it looks like you got a safety, a lock and an unlock. If you can see that, you see that there's a picture of a lock. So now the button it's stuck. Switch it over. That's nice. You don't have to worry about holding a button in place when you're cutting like a door frame or something, or you're cutting a door jamb, or you want to do a one-handed job like this. You know, bam. You know what I mean? And it's not that light. I mean, I'm sorry, it is light. It's not that heavy, and you can just extend your hand all the way out if you had to. So let's check this thing out. Let's see how the blade hooks up. Looks to me like there's something right here. I know I should be reading the instructions, but you got a little thing here. All right, so let's try. Oh, that little thing, it extends the boot there. See this? You can extend the boot. Okay, let's leave the boot in. Let's lock it in place. The other thing is the blade. Oh, okay. And I know I should be reading the instructions, but if you turn this by hand, it'll open up. It'll open it up, slip the blade in and let it go. So let's try that. Let's take the blade they gave me. Let's get it out of the plastic. All right, you want to be careful. So we're going to turn this counterclockwise, and we're going to hold it in place. And we're going to put this blade in, and we're going to let it go back out. And look, it locked itself in place. So that's easy. Very simple to change the blade. It's a half a turn. You hold it, you stick the blade right in. Obviously I'm touching the blade, but look, no battery, cuz. So anytime you're messing with the blades, never have a battery in this thing. But let's try it. Let's grab a battery, okay? Show you this in the camera. It's beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're gonna go with a 4.0, and yeah, they're supposed to be used with the Octane batteries. I haven't purchased them yet. I'm waiting for a good deal because they're not cheap. I mean, let's face it. But if these batteries will work, why not use them? So let's slide this in place. Okay. The only thing I did notice is the back of the battery here, you don't see the gauge on the back. It's actually underneath the front. Okay, but that's not bad. So let's see. We're going to take it. We're going to pull the trigger, make sure we're in the unlock position. We'll pull the trigger. Nice. You can go slow to get started, and then give her the gas, kid. Not bad. Oh, and look, it has a light like all the rest. That's a nice light. Let's see if I could show you against this wall here. Okay, there's the light. Okay, so you got quite a bit of light coming out of this unit. Let me just turn this over to the orbital and see what happens. Let's turn this dial and let's give it a shot. Let's go back to the other. Let's turn it off. Yeah, I notice it kind of shakes a little bit with orbiting as it's cutting. Okay, that's great. But I like it off. I'll tell you what, this thing is beautiful. You hit it, instant power, and then it breaks nice. So this is it. This is the RIDGID brushless reciprocating saw. Okay, and I'm happy with the purchase so far. Again, I'm going to use it. I got a couple of fence posts I got to cut down in the next day or two, like 15 of them at one job. We're going to see how this thing works. I'm going to put it to its paces here, you know what I mean? All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. The phone took a dump. All right, the tripod I didn't have set up the right way, but I'm learning. So as I was saying, if you're looking into getting into a new platform and you're not really sure what to pick, I strongly advise the RIDGID. RIDGID has a great warranty. They have a bunch of nice tools. Okay, just a few to throw here. I got a little sander here. They're very inexpensive for what they do. They all come, most of them come with lifetime warranties. I'm moving everything over to the Octane, so when I need something, I'm just going to upgrade it. I still have some of the older, just basic 18-volt brushed ones I use, but they're still working. They're still working great. But yeah, if you're looking to upgrade into another platform or you're just starting off in tools, look into the RIDGID, okay? You won't be disappointed. The other thing is when you buy these things, make sure, okay, you have, I believe it's 90 days to get this thing registered. You have to go online and register it. You have to show your, just throw another one out there to show you what we have going on here. You want to keep your receipts, okay? And you're going to have to input that information online. You have 90 days to do it. I like to do it within the first 2 or 3 days when I buy these things, just to get it over with, okay? But yeah, the warranty is great. You can't beat it. Look into it. Do the research. You know, research everything. But yeah, I'm glad to have brought this to you. The RIDGID Octane brushless 18-volt reciprocating saw. And there's his big brother right there. Okay. Need I say more? 7 1/4 inch cutting blade. Okay. That is the Octane. It's a strong saw. All right, happy with the purchase. I thank you for watching. And remember, what do? Yeah, I know, we clean up after a job site. Everybody knows that. But most importantly, you subscribe, you share these videos with your friends. You want to like the video, hit the bell down there on the right-hand side. That bell, if you hit it, I don't have to keep telling you. It's going to notify you with every new video I come up with. Okay, I come up with some pretty cool stuff, all right? Up here, this is what we were talking about in my last video. I'm going to do a quick review on this guy soon. Bought it on Amazon. It is a tripod for my 6S Plus. Tell you, it works out pretty well. I'm still learning how to do it, but it's pretty heavy duty for the price. I think it was 12 bucks. I mean, come on. That's it. Let me put some stuff away. Easter is tomorrow. I wish everybody out there a happy Easter, okay? And thanks for watching. I always appreciate it. And thanks for all the new subscribers, okay? That's pretty much it. You guys have a nice weekend. We'll catch you on the next one.